Hey guys, David here. I'm out here in Stuart, Florida, right along the Florida East Coast mainline tracks, just north of the St. Lucie River Bridge. I was out here yesterday morning and filmed some action on a southbound Florida East Coast freight train coming right across the crossing here. But there's a lot of interesting things going on right here, so I came back this morning, to see if I could vlog a little bit of it, tell you a little bit more about it. So behind me you can see the main line. But as a lot of you might know, the Florida East Coast and Brightline are building all new tracks here in southeast Florida. So many places in the country you're hearing about the tracks being torn up. Here it's the opposite. In fact, this section of track behind me, which you're going to see where the train is running, is is actually in use. It's been here less than a month. I'll show you a little bit more about what's up and down the line here real quick. Now this is looking northbound, heading north towards Jensen Beach, Florida. Now the track to the left, that's the new track that was just put in, all brand new. This time last year, that was a grass strip there. That section of track's been in use for less than a month, and just north of here, around the bend, is another crossing, and then just north of that is a small trestle bridge. So they actually had to build a new trestle bridge for the second track, and what they've done is they put the second track to the left in use and taken the original part of the main line temporarily out of use while they're working on the bridge on that side of the tracks. So as you can see, I'll show you a clip in a minute, the trains haven't been running on that side. You can tell the tops of the rails are all rusty. Now this is looking southbound. To the right is the new track, and you can see where they actually just put in the new crossing part coming across the street here. And then just south of here you can see the switch where the tracks merge together. And then around that bend is the approach to the St. Lucie River Bridge. Now the street just beyond the tracks is Old Dixie Highway, which is one of the original highways that ran north and south up and down Florida back in the day before we had interstates. That was the main road here coming through town. And then over here on the east side of the tracks, you can see a really nice townhome community right on the waterfront. And out front is a marina full of large yachts. Really nice here. Now again, I came back the morning after I filmed the train to talk a little bit more about this section of the railroad that's being expanded. And first of all, you'll notice that the train had the Florida East Coast road engines, which have been converted to liquefied natural gas. They have that cool looking fuel cell in between. They don't actually run completely on gas. They still burn a little bit of diesel to start the combustion process, from what I'm told. Now, I also want to mention that all this track expansion is going on to accommodate the new Brightline service that's going to be going through to Orlando, and they're talking about having this going as early as late 2022. They're building everywhere. It's a huge project. New tracks, new bridges, new switches, new grade crossings, everything, all the way to Orlando. And then they're talking about even going to Tampa after that. Hey guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. I'm going to try to film more of the interesting stuff going along trackside here, both in Florida and when I get out other places. I rode out on the motorcycle today. Nice morning. And thanks again, guys. Thumbs up if you like it.